Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Pure Nature Vlog. Today, I want to show you what happened in our town. After heavy rain, the bridge is completely full of water and many people come to see the flooding. We tried to walk to the other side, but the water was too deep and we could pass the road are broken. And all the shops are closed. Come with me as I show you what it's look like walking through the flooded town. Unbelievable. The water, it's running so fast. It's very scary. So this is the road that I'm talking about, guys. It's all broken. So this is the nearly main street town of Katherine. That's all the shop there. They're all still full of water. Thank you so much for watching Pure Nature Vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more video. Stay safe everyone and see you in the next vlog. God bless everyone. Take care all. Bye.